Firstly, we embarked on a journey to unravel insights from the data. The initial phase involved creating a heat map between two columns, author and data source. This was achieved by integrating two tables, namely ny_data and noded_views, via PowerBI SQL editor and SQL queries. Uniting these tables allowed a comprehensive report to materialize, providing a holistic view of the data. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. Moving into the second phase, our focus shifted towards story success. The parameters were clear. A story with more than 35,000 page views signified success. A story with page views ranging from 3,500 to 35,000 required improvement. Anything below 3,500 page views indicated a failed story. To categorize these stories, a Python script was written and employed via the Power BI program tool. In the final phase, the quest for deeper insights continued. Utilizing the inherent features of Power BI, various charts were drawn to dissect the data. Pie charts, time series charts, comparison charts. All these tools were harnessed to glean information. The data was updated weekly, and the report generated automatically, ensuring the most current insights were available. All these efforts culminated in a deliverable, a Power BI report file, a comprehensive summary of the data insights. This report was the result of various tools and skills, including Python, Power BI, data cleaning, data pre-processing, and data visualization. However, the journey wasn't without its hurdles. Drawing a heat map in Power BI, merging two tables based on page views, and converting time series data to a 5-minute format all posed significant challenges. But with the installation of a new add-on in Power BI, the use of SQL editor and Python programming, these obstacles were overcome. In a nutshell, this project was a testament to the critical role of data analysis in marketing. It demonstrated the value of integrating diverse data sources, categorizing success metrics, and visualizing data for insights. The result? A powerful tool for marketers, a Power BI report that provides a wealth of insights at a glance. This project was executed by the Blackcoffer Team, a global IT consulting firm, showcasing their expertise in data analysis and visualization. Their skills in Python programming and SQL queries, coupled with their proficiency in data cleaning and pre-processing, underscored the success of this project. Remember, in the realm of marketing, data is king, and the ability to analyze and interpret this data, that's the power behind the throne. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.